What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The design of today's bracelet is done by Barbara Schwarz from the Swiss Paracord. So that being said, let's start making this awesome Paracord bracelet. If you want to create this one, the tutorial you have in the top right corner of the information cards. And now we're gonna take this green and black paracord to create the bracelet core. And the length of the paracord is down below this video in the description of it, so go ahead and check it out. Now we're gonna take the ends of green and black and we're gonna find the center like this. Now we're gonna take this loop here, let me just zoom a bit, and we're gonna insert it into the buckle from the top side like so, and then we're gonna pass it those two cords through this loop, so from the top through the loop, and we're gonna create the basic chaos hitch. So pull it, make it tight, and from this side this is done. Now we're gonna pass to the other side of a bracelet. So we're gonna take this right strand cord and we're gonna make it in the middle like so, and then through the middle to the side like this, and with the left strand also from the top in the middle and to the side. Now from here we're gonna just take this end and make it on top of the bracelet like so, and with the left one also on top and through. Now with this black and green we're gonna make it under and from the back side through the middle, and with this left one also under and from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna take the pink one and we're gonna make it on top of those crossing green and the blacks, and on top, under, and then through the middle, but from the back side between the core strand and the pink, as you can see here, and through, of course you will make it to the side. Now we're gonna take the pink one and we're gonna make it on top, through the middle and to the back, around, but this time the purple will exit from the back through this loop on the right side here, so through the loop, and this is the right side done. Now we're gonna do the left one. So take the pink one, make it on top and through the middle to the back, and from the back side insert it between the core strand, this base strand or a core, and this pink one. So from the back, between the pink and the core strand, and now we're gonna take the purple and make it from the top into the middle, and then to the back, and from the back side through the loop on the left side, or through the loop of this black and green, as you can see here. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and we're gonna proceed. As simple as that. Now we're gonna proceed. So as we did before, take the light pink and make it on top, and then through, and now from here make it through the middle and to the side like this, and with the left strand also to the middle, and then under this core strand and to the side. And now with the green and the black, from the back side through the middle and to the top, and with the left one the same. Now we're gonna take the pink one and make it from the top into the middle, and then through the middle to the back, and from the back side between the core strand and this pink one, so like this. And now the purple, again from the top through the middle and to the back, and from the back through the loop on the right side here. As simple as that. Now repeat the left side, so the pink from the top into the middle and to the back, and from the back through the gap between core strand and the pink one, and with the purple also from the top into the middle, and then from the top through the middle and to the back, and then from the back through the loop on the left side here. Now we're gonna again pull it to make it tight and proceed. So pull the black and the green all the way through to make it tight, then the light pink, as I like to call it, pull it all the way, and now we're gonna do the pink and the purple. So here we are, we reach almost the end of today's project. Now we need to finish it. So as we did before, take this light pink and make it on top, and with the left and the right, black and green, as we did before, make it from the back through the middle and through the top, and with the left one the same, from the back through the middle and to the top. And now here we're gonna cross it and we're gonna enter the left cord of black and green into the loop on the right side. So from the top into the loop, like so, and with the right strand from the top into the loop on the left, and we have the loops looking like this. Now from here we're gonna take this pink and we're gonna enter in the half next to the buckle, half of the loop next to the buckle, like this. So let me show you clearly. As you can see here, this is the one half and this is the other one. In the other half is the light pink, and on this end will be the pink and the purple. So pull it through, and now take the purple and pull the purple also. So as you can see, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. That being said, I wish you all just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!